Hey everybody, let me talk in this section about OOP or object-oriented programming. When we talk about OOP, we mean we need to separate the concept. That means we will make our project from number of classes with number of interface and enums and more. That means instead of having one GUI class, you'll have number of component or number of class are communicate together or are connected. One of them to depend of another one. That means we separate in the concept. So when we have problem in any place, we will go to that class and we'll fix it. Instead of having one GUI class and we'll go through the big around, like for example 1 million line and looking for the error and fix it. So object-oriented programming is the concept, and it uses it in every project. So because you need to manage your project and make it easy to modify in the future. So how object-oriented programming work? Object-oriented programming mean you treat everything as object. Let me give you an example. Car is object, and also the home is object, and this animal is object. Every one of these objects have specific properties and specific methods. Let me tell you about the car. What do you think about the car? The car as a properties, what properties this car could have? Could have type of the car, for example BMW, could have model of the car 2015, could have the price of the car 10,000, or could have miles or miles user drive this car like 405, and the owner of this car Hussein. So all these are properties of the car. You describe things. When we talk about properties, we mean we describe things. So the car as object have number of properties. But also this object have number of methods. For example, you need to get the price of the car. Depending on how many miles drive it or how many the real price. For example, if it's 10,000 and drive it 5 miles, you cut something for driving time. Also, I need to get owner, because the owner it be in the database, and the database maybe there's too many owners, so you want to go and filter and look for the last owner and bring the information of it. So what I want to tell you, or what I want to show you from this simple example, the car as object has number of properties. Also, it have number of methods. So any object in object-oriented programming, you will treat it as object, have specific properties that describe the object, and a specific method to do some operation on that object.